What are you doing, Lucy? What are you doing? You're not going after the dog food, are you? No? You're not going to touch the dog food, are you? Lucy. You're not going to mess with the dog food, are you? Okay, as long as you're not going to. Lucy, are you messing with the dog food? Lucy. Lucy, are you messing with that puppy's food? Lucy May, are you messing with the dog food? Hey, hey, hey. You know better than that. Come here. Leave that dog food alone. Come here. Lucy May. Come here. Lucy. No, no, no. I know. It's the big bad dog food police. Come here. Lucy May. Come here. It's okay.